Want to know how to enable 2FA in TaskRabbit? Well, no worries. So two-step verification is a really important process in TaskRabbit. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how to set it up and how to get it easily in just under a few minutes. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, simply open up your TaskRabbit website. So you just simply open it up and make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, on the top right side you should be seeing account right here, so you can just simply select it. So now once you have selected your account, here you should be provided with another interface which should be your profile. So right here you should be seeing account security on the left side, just simply select that. And now here you should be seeing under account security, two-factor authentication, just simply select activate right here. Now just simply select send code to your phone number that you had and then select the code. You can just simply resend if it's not there. Set verify and then your post should be verified, and that's it. Super simple and easy. And so once that is done, your code should be verified and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.